I have 10 new sunglasses finds. Put you on a budget. I have some favorites, some neutrals, and some not so favorites, so let's get through all of them. First, I'm gonna show you that they all come in boxes. I threw away the rest of the boxes and only kept one of each brand to show you because, oh my gosh, it was just so many boxes. And they also all came with a case. Starting with my favorite, how cute it is on the side. And the shape is just like, you know, a little bit different. It's bigger. And I really like these ones. The quality, how they look on me, 10 out of 10. My other favorite is also of this brand. I also like the quality and how they look like, such a cute like brownish turquoise color. The sides look very nice too, very girly. It's like vintage and girly. I really like it. Really liked these. They have like yellow, light yellow color there, and they look so cool. I really wanted like black with yellow sunglasses, and I love these. They're really stylish and I feel like they're gonna match so many outfits and gonna elevate it right away. Another favorite is a similar vibe, but they are a lot darker. Like this is a lot darker. It's not that see-through. You can see it covers the eyes more, but it does also have this yellow tint to it. The most popular sunglasses right now. Of course, I needed to have it. The quality is okay. I wouldn't say they feel super high quality, but they look good. I think they look very stylish. Hard to avoid the glare, but I like this as well. These are just like a styling piece because they're not prescription glasses. I don't need a prescription, but I like to have such and wear such sometimes. Also very cute. They're, you can see, bigger. I really like this little heart on the side. The logo, cute. Then I have these ones. Honestly, I did not think that there are gonna be all the logos there. You can see this is like glass. You can see everything that's going on. I don't like the logos all over it. I really wanted to love these, but they feel a little bit not such a good quality. Like the sides, this side kind of feels like whimsy, kind of too golden. I don't know. Even though I think they look pretty cool on, I like this, but they don't feel high quality. They're on the wider side. I would say they're pretty wide. The last two I didn't really like. That like the quality feels low, and I've noticed when sunglasses are just kind of only glass, they kind of go for lower quality. Sunglasses are more like these. They are usually higher quality. These ones I really wanted to love. Like they're so cool. I love this style of glasses. They kind of push on my nose and that feels uncomfortable.